good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Then we see. Very nice day yesterday. A lot of trades up and down, but very low-priced ones. And that's what you have to do right now. You have to do the low-priced ones because anything that you put in $2, $3, $4, if it goes the other way, becomes a rougher trade, right? Because they don't go up enough. What does that mean? That means if you buy something at 4 and it goes to 5 or 6, you probably hold it and then it goes the other way. It's harder trade. How about the ZS? This ZS, I'm telling you, when somebody pre-announces one way or the other, it just does well. AI pre-announced. So let's see what happens. See if AI continues to go. Okay? Earnings, look, Baidu earnings are stunningly good. I don't know what their guide is. Maybe their guide's not good, but the number is huge. It's great, and it's not up. Okay, so just be careful with things like Microsoft and NVIDIA and, all these other ones. The moves over? The bigger moves over? You're not getting them today, and you should have had them. Okay, so just know that. Okay, so less premium. Look at Microsoft. Microsoft, the 312.50s, $3 out of the money, $1. $1. I mean, he doesn't even think it's going to go $1. Okay, so that's premium. So you got to just keep an eye on them and chill. We're going in and out. We're doing way smaller trades, like 40, 50 contracts of something that's 50 cents. That's it. Don't need to do 200 or 300. Why? Because then you get stuck. Because you got this debt limit, and every single guy that comes out there is going to tell you things are bad. He's going to tell you things are bad, right? So just understand that, okay? If anybody has any questions, go ahead and type those in. And that's what we know. That's what we know, okay? But nothing is breaking up. NVIDIA not breaking up. Lam Research broke up. Very, very nice day yesterday. 536. We wait. Watch NOW. 466, 482. Then we see. Okay. Tesla, I believe the shareholder meeting, Elon is on at 5 Eastern. Is that right? So 4 Central Time, maybe. So what's he going to do? I mean, this stock has the best news it could have, and it's not doing anything. So that's not good either, okay? So keep an eye on that. Why is he on there, okay? And remember, stocks that are insanely valued, any bad news crumbles them. In a good market, they hold. In a market like this, they become very average stocks, okay? So just keep an eye on that. I mean, Tesla, think about it. Tesla, 10 points out of the money, 177.50, 4 days to go, or 60 cents. 2 years ago, those were $11. They were $11. 10 points out of the money, 4 days to go, $11. There's 60 cents. There's 60 cents. Big, big, big difference, okay? So that's what we know. That's what we know, okay, for today. Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everybody. 516. SPX, just doing almost nothing. It's down 6. So it was up yesterday, down today. You got 4109, 4100, 4081. Okay, big numbers. Upside 4152, but everything looks like no man's land today. Okay, so then we see Avago still sitting there a little bit better. Got down to 609 for 2 weeks. And remember that one day it was down 20 and we couldn't find a reason why it was down. Well, it came back. Now, why did I mention this? Very, very important. Okay. So Avago number 241, 249. Okay. NVIDIA 292. Big number 292. Okay. Zscaler 122, 126. Okay. Now, why did we mention that Avago dropped 20, 25 points that day and we couldn't find why? Okay. Because yesterday, PanW dropped for no reason. I mean, I scoured everything and also asked people to message me, and nobody could find it. Think about it. 1,500 people couldn't find it. Nothing. The exact same. So, but now you go look at Avago, and it went down to 609, 610, and now it's back up 30. So does that tell you PNW down for no reason? Their earnings are next week. Becomes a very intriguing play, right? So we're going to look at that for next week. Okay, and then we see. Okay, so next week, maybe the week after. Okay, double check. We'll double check. Zscaler, amazing stock. I keep telling you, every time it drops 3 or 4, you just buy it, and it's going to go up till they have earnings. Then it changes. Then it won't be the same way again. Okay? Lam Research breakup 552, 581. If AMAT is good, 581 is in the cards. If AMAT is bad, back to 536, 560. Shop has 3 days of great and can't even move 10 cents. I mean, aggravating. Lilly, 436. UPST, 21, then 22. So just round numbers. See if it can get to 21, 22. AI, down a little bit, see if it gets legs, then we see. See if it gets legs. 25, then we see. Okay? CMG, going on week 3 of nothing. Let it do nothing. Meta, got near 240, got up a little bit over. We bought it, sold it. Why? No follow through. Wasn't going. Just stopped. Google. If Google gets down to about 213, becomes very, very interesting for this week. At 213, then we go back into the 216s at 10 or 20 cents. Nothing huge, so just wait. ON. Very nice earnings, not moving. That's it. That's why we're buying so little. Baidu, stunningly good earnings, 234. If you round it to 250, you times it by 4, it's $10. $10 in earnings, trading at 126. That's a 12 PE. Google's at a 25 PE. That would say that Baidu could go way up, but I don't see any guide. And I believe their conference call is going on now, so that means CEO saying something stupid, probably. Snowman, 171, 176. MDB, this one looks like a runner to 300, 310. Wait some more. Okay? On MDB, sure looks good, but we're going to wait. NOW, they're going to start a conference here this week, the next couple days. You got 466, 482. Namex, once again, another one, looking for earnings, can't confirm earnings. See, this is shit companies. Now, is their product good? Maybe. Still don't know. By the numbers, they got FD approval, so wouldn't they be shipping immediately and raising guide? In theory. But let me tell you, it's an Israeli company. And U.S. companies go on their website, under investor relations, they tell you when their earnings are. And you can't find this. Okay? Don't believe everything they tell you on Thinkorswim or Fidelity or anything. All they are is they're just finding data from out on the web and posting it. Okay? It's not real. To be real, it has to be on the website. I don't know if it's tomorrow or not, or the next day. We'll see. But if you can't even tell me when your earnings are, look, they're coming in the next month. They have to be coming within the next 3 months. Why wouldn't you post the date? Doesn't make any sense. Just think really simply, guys, okay? Microsoft. Can't seem to get through 312. Premium's very low. Tesla, Elon's going to be on. Can it get through 171, 173? If it does, then we see. First Solar, down to 221. Have this on your screen and be ready. If they cancel the green deal, obviously Tesla will dive too. Because you won't get rebates or the refunds on tax credits. First Solar can drop 20 or 30. Now, if they keep it, probably goes to 240. So just have that on your screen. I didn't say to go buy them, okay? Okay, so that's what we know. That's what we know. People asking about VKTX. I don't even know what it is. Viking Therapeutics. Don't know. I'll have to look into it. I have no idea what they do. Okay? I do know about 800 stocks, but that one I don't know. Sorry. Tesla definitely needs 173, but 177. Okay? Do your numbers flow from one day to another? Most of the time they do, but sometimes they don't. Okay? And the sometimes is when things sit. Numbers are derived from two things, premiums and sitting positions. So if something sits, so let's say Lam Research hits 530, say Lam Research hits 552 today, 553. And it sits there for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. That's telling you the number is in equilibrium, right? It's not moving up or down, maybe $1. It's equilibrium. And then say it drops 4, and it drops again, and it drops again, and it goes down 10 or 20. Then you have a number, 552, because it sat in equilibrium for a long time, and that equilibrium went away. Okay? That's one of the things. Then you got to add in premium on where he believes it can go, and that's all I'm going to say. Okay? What does Elon say? I don't know. Let's see. Okay? Everybody have a great trade day. See you in chat.